The Redmi Pad, despite being a budget Android tablet, does not look like one. With an all-metal body, it offers a good in-hand feel. The flat frame design and good weight distribution make the Android tablet feel lighter than its actual weight of 465 grams. It is also fairly thin at 7.1 mm. Xiaomi sent us the mint green color of the Redmi Pad, which has a matte finish. If you want something more classic looking or versatile, there are the moonlight silver and graphite grey color options. The Redmi Pad is being offered with up to 120 GB of internal storage, and if you want more, there is support for storage expansion of up to 1 TB. At the top of the right edge of the frame are the volume buttons, whereas the tiny power button is at the corner of the top edge. You also get 4 speaker grills, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. The Redmi Pad does not get a 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be a bummer for some. On the front, there is a 10.61-inch IPS LCD with a 2K resolution. Compared to the competition, the Redmi Pad has a slight edge with its 90Hz refresh rate display and support for up to a billion colors. The 10-bit display also comes with a 15:9 aspect ratio and 400 nits of peak brightness. There is no HDR10 support nor any oleophobic coating on the display, which means you will find yourself cleaning fingerprints and smudges regularly. Coming to the performance, the Redmi Pad features a MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. The Redmi Pad can handle basic day-to-day web browsing and scrolling well. Games such as Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt 9 Legends ran well, along with lighter titles such as Subway Surfers. There were very minor stutters in some games such as Call of Duty, but overall the gaming experience on the Redmi Pad was quite good. The 8000 mAh battery can last a full day without requiring you to charge it. In our battery loop test, the Redmi Pad lasted for 14 hours and 53 minutes, which is good. If you consume video content and scroll through your social media feed for a couple of hours a day, the Redmi Pad would be needed to recharge every third or fourth day. Although the tablet supports only 18W fast charging, Xiaomi has bundled a 22.5W charging adapter in the box. On the software side of things, the Redmi Pad runs on the Android 12 based MIUI 13 skin. The software experience on the Redmi Pad is quite clean and smooth. There was no sign of any stutter or software bugs across the user interface. MIUI 13 for Pad comes with close to no bloatware, which is very rare to see in Xiaomi products. What is common to see is the number of features that MIUI adds on top of Android. These include split screen, floating windows, etc. Xiaomi is promised to offer at least 2 major Android updates and security patches for 3 years for the Redmi Pad. The Redmi Pad has an 8MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera. The rear camera is useful only for scanning documents as the dynamic range is below average and the colors are a bit washed out for anything else. The front camera does a decent job with selfies, and because it is placed on the right bezel, you are always looking directly into the camera during video calls. The Redmi Pad, with all its hardware and software features, is certainly an obvious recommendation for anyone looking to buy an Android tablet under Rs 20,000. With a capable performance unit, a big battery and a large screen, the Redmi Pad is suitable for a majority of use cases, including gaming. I would recommend buying the 4GB RAM variant or possibly even the 6GB RAM variant, as you not only get more storage but also the assurance of a smoother user experience. Some of the key MIUI 13 for Pad features such as split screen, floating windows, multi-window, etc. are not available on the 3GB RAM variant, so it makes sense to skip it.